Why not make myself feel like a baby? What I already am, but why not? Why not just show y'all? Why not?
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the ends. Told him I'm the Slim Shady bag the end. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught Chanel and Magivin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bum bitches mad again.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Period. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys, not really, but I'm really just going to be showing you guys me attempting to do these braids. And as y'all guys can see, I did that. Yes, I did that, but you guys can keep watching and you will see how I did this. Just parting it into like different layers of braids, so like I know, like, you know, the rows in which to go. Once we lay it on the side. The hair I am using is 3 times real African braid pre-stretched hair. It's pre-stretched, so I don't gotta, you know, if y'all know, y'all know. It's color 1B and it is 28 inches long. I don't know how long my braids gonna be, but they're gonna be past my waist. So this is the hair. And yeah, take a piece. This will be a piece you're feeding in. I ain't been recording because I don't know. I just haven't, but I messed up these right here. My hair was done, but I messed up them. They was too big. So, okay, I'm gonna show y'all how I do this last braid. It's so cute, and I did that. Okay, so I actually braided this already, but I had to take it down because it was, the part was too big. So first thing I do is I comb it out. I had some other type of like stuff I was using to like slick my hair down or whatever, but now I'm just using edge control. I'm not putting the edge control in the camera because I'm not sponsored. So yeah, I'm just putting edge control like all over the beginning of the hair and like you know, filling on it just so we could get the slick look. So now I'm gonna start to braid, and I do this towards my head, like towards the front of my head, so that these braids can lay forward. So I'll start braiding. And hold on. I only braid a little bit and I'll stop. I grab a piece to feed in. And this is not a how-to video, so I am not teaching y'all how to do these. I'm just doing them on myself. Now, I'm about to feed in another piece of hair, and I've only been using 2 feed-in pieces of weave in my hair. Well, on each braid, I've only been using 2 pieces. This was what I was using at first. It's called Moray's Edge Wax. I've been using this the whole time to like slick the braid, you know, and get the flyaways away. Yeah. So then you're just gonna keep braiding. Yes, my neck hurt because I'm just looking down, watching myself braid this hair. So I don't know why I didn't record the process, but so I'm going to fast forward this for y'all. I had to because if nobody else is gonna do my hair, somebody has to do it. Why not make myself feel like a baby? But I already am, but why not? Why not just show y'all? I'm about to go put some hot water on this hair. We'll dip this hair in hot water. I'll be back when I'm done. I just wet my braids and they need to dry, so keep them on this towel back here. But I'm about to, I was gonna do my eyebrows, but I don't want to. I'm liking the little, just basic, what's my basic? Just natural like. It's cute. But I am about to do my edges because y'all see that. So y'all see that.
Y'all see that.
I think this edge control come out black. So it do. So I'm gonna have to use something else. But this that's where it works. That stuff works. Now I gotta use this stuff. I don't know how to do my edges either. So if they look a little bogus, keep your comments to yourself. Oh, this is working. Let's see for how long though. I wanted to do like some dramatic edges, like I wanted some real dramatic, but I don't got enough edge left to be doing it. But that look nice. I basically got a braided front too. I got a new setup in my room. I'm so tired of this room. Like I just want a whole new everything, but coming soon. Keep them views coming in. Y'all get it.
Keep them views coming in. Y'all get it. Keep them views coming in. Y'all get it.
About to put on this necklace my grandma gave me. Don't look at my nails, please don't, cause baby. I ain't even gonna say nothing. I love my hair, honestly. Like, in all honesty, on some real stuff. Like, no faking. I love my hair. Like, I really snap. Like, if this is the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that bell on for post notifications so you can be notified every time when I post a video. Period. Because you should want to be notified, because it's that y'all know what's up. Like, it ain't even nothing else to say. For real though.